So if you have a desire to help people with your story, you want to be a speaker, you want to be a leader, but you don't feel like you have like a very interesting story, I totally get it. I used to actually think, gosh, I've never climbed Mount Everest. I haven't had any big tragedy in my life. So what if I don't have a great story? Well, here's the thing. The human experience is universal and your experience is unique. So the trick is have a combination of universal and unique. Hi, my name's Majeed. I am the public speaking coach for entrepreneurs who want to build their brand and attract ideal clients through storytelling, messaging, speaking on stage, and speaking on videos like this. You have a unique story. You're an expert in solving all of the challenges that you had to go through. And your human experience is universal. What is the human experience? It can be described as the hero's journey. The hero begins their story with humble beginnings. Then they have a big challenge that they don't know how to overcome. Then they get advice from a wise elder that gives them the secret solution. And finally, they are able to overcome the big challenge. You have a hero's journey. Your clients, your audience, they have a hero's journey. They are looking for their wise elder. That's you, because they need help. So you tell your story where you're the wise elder in their hero's journey. You tell your hero's journey that you overcame. That is your unique yet universal human experience. If you'd like help landing more speaking opportunities and building your business full of ideal, premium, high-ticket clients coming to you because you've got the right messages, the right stories, the right videos, and the right speeches, you can book a one-on-one strategy call with me. I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. And if we're a fit to work together, I would love to support you to help more people by sharing your wisdom. I'm Majeed, founder of Expert Speaker, author of Expert Speaker, 5 Steps to Grow Your Business with Public Speaking. By the way, you can get that book for free at expertspeakerbook.com. Love to help you. Schedule a one-on-one call with me. The link is in my bio.